guys, so today I just want to come and show you guys my cute little Bath and Body Works haul. What I got, first thing, these two that I feel like kind of go hand in hand. This one is called At the Beach, see, and this one is called In the Sun. So they smell really good. This one kind of smells really like carefree, and it has like an undertone that I can't really put my finger on, but it smells really, really good. I want to say like coconut, but I'm not certain, but it smells really good. And this one smells good as well, but it's just a little bit more feminine, which I think is really cute. Both of these I would spray on myself anytime. Next thing I got, this body butter. And I've never tried it before, but I figured why not. It's shea butter and coconut oil, and this one is called Beautiful Day, so it's really sweet. And this one, oh my gosh, I think I like the smell of this the best, because it just smells like the summertime and happiness and just like good vibes, and just like, I don't know, it just is, it makes you, I mean, it's like a beautiful day. That's what it is. Like, whatever your idea of a beautiful day is, that's what this smells like. The next one I got is called Sea Island Cotton. And this one is very mild. It's like if you want to spray something on but you don't want to like have like a strong smell, then this one, very, very mild, but it still smells really nice. So it's very subtle. So the last thing I got is the Aromatherapy Stress Relief. And of course, being a nurse, we all need a little stress relief. So I got 3 bottles of this, and it just smells so good. It's eucalyptus and spearmint, and oh my gosh, it's just like, it smells like the spa and just relaxation, and you just feel like really calm when you put some of this on yourself. So I really like it, and I like the bottle as well. So that's my small but beautifully scented Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go spray myself.